हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ कैन यू फॉर्मेट अ यूएसबी और पेन ड्राइव व्हेन it's not showing in the PC, right? So as you can see that I have inserted a pen drive in the PC, but that pen drive is not visible here in our Explorer, right? So for that, I can show you that I have inserted a PC. When I go to disk management, so here we can see in disk management the all storages of our PCB, right? All partitions. So we have C drive, our masters, another drive, and another drive, right? And there is a USB which I inserted with name Shyam USB with having a storage of 28.9, which is around 32 GB. Okay, so here you can see that we have inserted a pen drive, but it's not showing in the Windows Explorer, right? So if I try to format it, right here you can choose the file system whichever is supported and click OK. Okay, so it's formatting done. So the formatting has been done. So if I again try to refresh it after formatting the USB, it's still not showing in the Windows Explorer, right? See, still not showing after formatting, right? So in this case, we will use we will use command prompt for formatting our pen drive or USB, right? So first go to run, type cmd, click OK, and here list all, type this part, right? After that, write list disk. Here you can see that we are showing two disks, disk 0, disk 1. Disk 0 is our SSD internal and disk 1 is the USB of 28 GB, right? So I'll select disk 1. Disk 1 is now selected, right? Just write list volume. Here you can see in the last, the volume 7 is our USB, right? Naming Shyam USB. Next, just select the volume 7, hit enter. Now volume 7 is selected. Now we are going to format this USB using CMD, right? Which are command prompt. So just write format fs equals ntfs. Ntfs is the file system. If you want to format it in exFAT, you can write exFAT over there and quick. Okay, it will take a few minutes. After that, you can see a notice that it has been successfully formatted the volume. The disk bus has successfully formatted the volume, right? Type exit and you are done. Again refreshing the page, and here we can now see that it's visible, right? Hooray! So this is how you can format a pen drive if it's not showing in the Windows Explorer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. See you in another next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.